When we go on hikes with our friends, we usually make cold sandwiches. But wouldn't it be nice to have a hot, cooked meal while you're out on the trail or down at the beach? Check out this product.
With a heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to. Oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our lion's paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey free roamers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, and today I am going to be doing another product review. I'm going to do an unboxing here for an item that I think you're going to want to know about. So stick around. We don't do a whole lot of these product reviews, but every now and then we get a chance from either a company or someone that we've worked with before, or an item that is of particular interest to us or that we feel like you might be interested in. I think you're going to like this one because it's going to help reduce weight and give you another option for cooking. This is a portable outdoor stove from Bodega. You might remember Bodega, if that sounds familiar. We did a review on a portable cooler, a 12-volt cooler RV fridge unit that they gave us, and we really enjoyed the opportunity to work with Bodega. We have another one of their products here, and let me get started with the unboxing here, and I'll show you what we got and talk about what it can do. All right, so I don't know if you can read the box there. Pretty much, this is what we have here. It's a portable, dual burner, camping gas stove. This one includes the griddle, which is why I'm really excited. So you can do burner cooking, or with the griddle, you can like do a steak or, you know, cook meat on there like you would a grill. So let me get this unboxed. I'll show you what's in the box. Okay, a couple of things I want to mention while I'm opening this thing up. It only weighs 5 pounds. So if weight's a consideration, or if you've been hauling around that huge griddle, that Blackstone, or if you've got another gas grill, you know, at one point we were carrying a Blackstone, we were carrying a pellet smoker, we were carrying a little Cuisinart 2-burner grill. And so all three of those things, man, it takes up space and it adds a lot of weight. And so that's why when Bodega reached out and said, hey, would you be interested in this camp stove? I thought that this could be a solution to a problem I didn't even know I had at the time. Okay, so here's the connector regulator. Comes with a nice bag. I kind of like that too. I like the idea that when I have some equipment, it has some place to put it. This is the optional griddle. Now again, it's not huge. It may not replace your entire grill setup, but just having the ability to take a steak, put it on this griddle and cook it over a burner, it's a pretty good option. 20,000 BTUs, runs on propane. It's going to take those little small 1-pound bottles, I believe. Portable dual burner camping stove, outdoor use only. Okay, there's my manual. I'm probably going to want to review that a little bit, and I'll be right back. Okay, as for what's in the box, the foldable camp stove, 2 grates, 1 for each side, your gas pipe, the bag, carrying bag, and the griddle. So you can order this with or without the griddle. To set it up, I'm going to open it, pop the grates in, and pretty much connect the hose to a propane source, and you're good to go. Okay, so here's the unit, like a nice OD green. I like that. Griddle fits right on top of the grates there. Pretty cool little setup. I gotta admit, I'm kind of excited to use this. Now, it's not going to be for everybody. It is, you know, relatively small. These are single burners, but it does fold up for easy storage. You have piezoelectric ignition, or you can ignite with a match. But as far as setup and use, man, open it up, set up those grates, connect your gas line, and you are, as they say, cooking with fire. Seat that line, just a little thumb twist to keep it tight. Looks like you get about 2-3 feet of standoff space to your 1 pound bottle. Built-in regulator. Yeah, this is a preset non-adjustable regulator, so it just made to go right into the 1 pound bottles. We usually travel with a couple of those anyway. But all in all, it's a pretty nice little unit, and that's unboxed. That's what you get. That's what comes in the box right there. You got room for like a 12-inch pot on top of these, side by side. Nice carrying bag, instruction manual. Not a whole lot to it, which is what I like. You can add this to your kit, 5 pounds, and the versatility of what you can do with a little 2-burner stove, especially if you enjoy outdoor cooking, and we do. So this is going to be a great addition to our boondock kit. I'll get some more content on this, actually putting it through its paces, using it, seeing how effective it is. You know, can I put a good steak on this little griddle? Maybe a couple burgers. We're going to get a chance to use it here. So it'll be handy to be able to just come back to the rig, light this thing up, throw a burger on the grill, especially if we're coming and going, being kind of busy. But as far as the unboxing for this Bodega flip open 2-burner camp stove, so far I like it.
This Bodega Cooler 2-burner camping stove is found on the bodegacooler.com website for $79.99. It is small, but it's very capable. It's portable and it's rugged, so it's lightweight. It's easy to carry with its handle, or it comes with a carrying bag as well. That makes it travel ready and convenient to grab and take with you. It's easy to light. It's got 1-hand ignition. You just simply turn the knob and it lights. When you get the package, it comes with the dual burner foldable stove, the removable burner rack that you can cook on, the hose for the propane bottle, the storage bag, and of course it comes with the user's manual. Let's see what Sean's up to out here. Ooh, what are you doing, honey?
Making a burger.
Wow, this is our new little Bodega stove.
Uh-huh. 2-burner camp stove from Bodega.
And it folds together to make one piece. But how cute is that, you guys?
That's awesome. And if you remember, I'll throw a card up here. We did a review on a Bodega cooler.
Yeah, cooler.
And that we really liked. And so they wanted to send us this camp stove.
No, look at the sear on that burger. And I like a sear on my burger too. Look at that. Smell-o-vision. Can you smell it? Smell-o-vision. Pretty good flame. If you are interested in the Bodega camping stove, go to bodega.com and check out this and some of their other products. You can't go wrong with a portable stove to take with you on a hike, to the beach, or anywhere when you're out camping. Leave a comment down below if this is something you're interested in, or what you might use this for out on your adventures. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, you guys, safe travels. See you out there.
Heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to. Oh, can't you see?